is here. Ramadan is here. Ramadan is here. Ramadan is here.
No, they decided to move, it's Ramadan. Now I got a plan before it's come and gone. Getting close to Allah, spend a lot of time. See the condition of my heart like a sonogram. Everybody knows we got to fast, but does everybody know how the time is passed? Is it sleeping all day and the night's a blast, and forgetting the reward in the month is past? I know you gonna wake up right, drinking water, maybe bean pie, praying at sunrise, fasting the day, keeping that dean tight, breaking fast with some dates, start out here at night. Alright. It's a blessed month, doesn't mean that it's hard that you can't have fun. What's driving your heart for your Lord the one, and be blessed by Allah when the month is done.
Ramadan is here. Ramadan is here. Ramadan is here.
Yeah, yo, come on, yo. 4 minutes left, mom bust in the door like, get yourself up, you about to miss a whore. Turkey bacon on the plate, but I'm beefing. I'm upstairs sleeping while they down here eating. Scenes like this, it makes me reminisce what it meant growing up with Ramadan as a kid. My homies buying up the corner store, now latest quarter waters. We break it 8, but it's